Today is an unboxing from Femme En Noir, and I ordered this about 5 months ago. It looks pretty orange already. I'm liking it. I like this design. It's actually the larger of the two pumpkin purses. They do have a smaller one. I believe I paid right at $100 for this one. I can't remember 100% for sure though. And the face and the mouth and everything is really detailed on this. It's made of what feels like a plastic type material. And this detail is really good. The eyes, the mouth, and the nose, they all set in from the purse. And of course it has the shoulder strap hooks on the side. And I know there is a strap on the inside of the purse. Both zippers zip outward to open the top of the pumpkin. The inside lining, I really like the design. It's really nice. And here is the shoulder strap and a shorter strap, maybe to carry it as a handbag. So 2 straps. And a nice business card. Oh, it is from the Happy Hollow collection. I did forget that. And of course, Paramount Pictures. And the inside is nicely sewn together. When I got this, I did have to get it. I had to pre-order it. So that's what took 5 months for it to finally make it to me. But it was worth the wait.